Alright guys, so for this video is going to be a talk through, and this is going to be a collab with me and my girl Lady Clark. So hey bubble, hey bubble. So I'm going to take my I wanted this one, my NW35 from MAC. It's actually a pressed powder, and I'm going to take my Sigma EB11 brush and I'm going to pat that on my brow bone. So I'm setting my brow bone with the powder, and as you can see I'm just patting it on. I'm sorry if you can hear like a whirling sound, my fan is on, so that's why. So setting that all over, perfect. I'm going to take a little bit on the side of the brush and just go down the center of my nose right here. The reason why I go right here and right here alone is because my nose is flat, so by putting that right there it raises my nose up a little bit. See that? Then I'm going to take my face brush and just blend it out. Alright, so next I'm going to be using my MAC 217 brush, and it has a little bit of eyeshadow on it already. Let me see if I can find. Perfect. This is my e.l.f. blush palette, and I love these for transitional colors, putting colors in the crease. I love it. And by the way, I don't know what look I'm going to be doing today, so I'm just winging it. So I'm going to start it with this color here, and I'm holding the brush. I'm not holding it further up, I'm holding it a little bit down, because the further away you hold the brush, the better it is to blend, or the more you get a better blend. If it's too close, it's going to be a little bit too harsh. So the further away I hold the brush, the less control I have, so it's better for blending. And I'm thinking about doing classes, like a 2-day class in August here in Kingston. I don't know if you guys know by now, but I had cancelled the I just blending out the edge of my brow bone color. But yeah, I had cancelled the Mobile classes simply because we weren't getting enough people in this set amount of time. Plus it's a new environment, and I shouldn't have had the price increase in that new environment. So I will be coming to Mobile. I'm probably going to do a 2-day course, not with all the frills and stuff, so that it can be cheaper for you guys, but still I can come to Mobile. So I'm going to take this darker color here and focus it on the outside. But yeah, I want to do a class in Kingston, and that class is gonna be like $200 or so. It's just it's going to be a boot camp, so it's just going to be, you just hit the ground running, and of course it will be certified. So I'm putting that out on the outside, and I think I want to go to my Pretty Little MzGracePalette by Sedona lace, and I want to add this purple, or let's add the red. Let's add the red. And if you're wondering how should know what color to use, if you look, I'm staying within the color family, so reds, pinks. Oh no, I just went into the purple a little bit. So reds and pinks. I used pink before, and I'm going to use red out here just to add another level of dimension. It is coming out red. Then I'm going to add purple, and I'm focusing this on the crease because on the outer side of my crease, because I want this to be a little bit darker out here. So I'm making circular motions and then bringing it over. Circular motions, then bring it over. Uno momento, circular motions. Okay, this side is a little bit more purpley. Let's see if we can even that out. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with, do I have it out? Or do I have a blending brush from POMI by Lyric, and I'm just going to go on the edges to blend out. And I think I wanted the gold, purple and gold, so I'm just going on the edges, just blending that out. Should I do gold? Yes. Hey queen. Alright, what gold? Let's see what the sleek blush looks like. So This is the sleek blush that I always use to do my let's try that one. So I use this EB11 to do my brow bone. I'm going to take, no, too big for my lid. Here we go. Pull my brush, get on the flat side of the brush, and I'm going to wet it with my e.l.f. mist and set. 3 spritz. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I ain't mad at you or nothing. Okay, boo. Oh yeah, I see you, baby. Come through, rose gold. Yes. Okay, so I'm just going in. I'm just patting it on. I love this, and I've never used this as an eye. This is pretty nice, right? Pretty cool. It just looks a little bit too purple, so I want to go back up here and break up this color a little bit, but I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. So I'm going to bring the lid color up into the crease to meet that purple. See, to meet that purple. Then I'm going to go back in with the 217 and blend that out. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye. Oh yes, believers. Oh no. Oh yes, believers. So I'm just patting this on. And the reason I'm patting this on as opposed to swiping it on is because I want a better color payoff, meaning I want the color to appear brighter. And when you swipe it on, like windshield wiper motions, you tend to blend out and lose some of the color, and I want it to be very pronounced here on my lid. Then take whatever is on the brush up into there. Then take our 217 and blend that back out. I'm not satisfied with the blend over here, so I'm going to go in with, where is it? The NC50 by MAC. And just clean this up here. Why I went to do the NC50 because it's a lighter color, so it's almost erasing and blending out all at the same time. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing that, but instantly I see a complete difference. And I'm barely touching my lid with it. Nice. So then this is by far one of the best eyeliners I've ever used in my entire life, and of course I found out about it by going to Fontana Salve, because you guys know I went to Salve. And this is the Loreal, it's called Silksimmi Loreal. It's in black, it's an eyeliner. It's called Noir, and yeah, so I'm going to put this on my waterline. This thing goes on smooth, dries matte. So I'm going to put this on my lash line as well. I need something closer. I really hope I'm in focus. Why do I feel like I'm not in focus? And before that dries, I'm going to take this brush that came in a palette, and I'm going to flick this out. So that, so I'm doing some lines. Okay, that's pretty much dried. That is pretty much dried. So I'm going to, let me see if I can find a smaller brush, a tiny brush. Come on, come through for mama. I need a small brush. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to take the same Noir. Put that, should I do a cut crease or just, oh no. Just put that in the crease. put that in the crease and ever so quickly blend it out. Now I tend to do this when I do not have a black eyeshadow. I use the eyeliner as the eyeshadow, and also I do this as a black base. Before I put on my black eyeshadow, I do a black eyeliner as the base, that the black is more black. Alright, so that's that. That's pretty much dry. I noticed I went back and forth, then I'm just kind of doing this, like kind of flicking it. So then I'm going to go back in with the 217 and around the edges blend, and then a little bit on top of the black. So that to the other side. Oh wait, and then I have to work very fast. Get some of my black in here. Yes. Hold on. Yeah, cute. So now we're going to go in the lid, go into the crease, sorry, then grab this brush and work very fast. Then the 217, so kind of go over it so that it just looks like a deeper color. Alright, so this eye is darker than this one, so I'm going to add more of the black in the crease right about here, and then blend that out. To 17, going on top of that color. Then I'm going to go in with the, where is it? The the NC50 again, and blend out right here. I'm coming over here just to make it even, so that what I do to one side I do to the next. So not that over here needed it necessarily, just want to make it even as possible. Alright, so I felt like I was out of focus for the entire thing. I'm sorry. Wow, I think I was out of focus. And I'm just going to add some Kay Mascara. Then I'll be wearing our Fashionista lashes. this is what our Fashionista lashes look like. They come in this cute packaging. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of this packaging, you guys. You have no idea. I'm so proud. And these are the lashes. See, these are our Fashionista lashes, and you can get them right now at POMIbyLyric.com. But truth be told, I have several used ones, so I'm gonna grab a used one right now and I'm gonna apply it. Okay. So now I'm going to be taking the rose gold that I have on my eyes as my highlight. This is actually a blush, guys. So I'm going to take this color here for my blush. So I'm going to be choosing between wifey material and half on. Oh, I've worn half on baby already in a tutorial. So I guess I'll be doing wifey material from Pink Princess Cosmetics. And to line, let me put this back up. Yeah, to line my lips, I'll be taking Plum, LA Girl, L.A.Colors, and it is in, where the heck is the thing? Where's the thing? Plum, smooth plum. Hold on, let me sharpen it. Alright guys, so this is the completed eye look with lashes, which surprisingly I did not film. So I'm wearing our Fashionista lashes, and I showed you guys that earlier, and I like when they're pushed up. And oh, this look is beautiful. I'm looking in the viewfinder. Yes, Fashionista, come through, boo-boo. And you see how I have hooded eyes and I make this work for me. But look at what I did. I shaved off like all my brows and I redrew them higher to give my eyes some more space. You know, that's what I do. You don't have to do that. That's just what I do, and it works. Brows are on fleek. I love my lips, and I love this eye look. Nice, eh? Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Don't forget to shop our Fashionista lashes. I'm just so happy about the packaging. And tag us, tag Fashionista lashes by POMI, or just tag POMI by Lyric, and when I search the tag I can put you up on my page in Lyric Rochester, and I can instruct the guys to put you on or POMI by Lyric Instagram page, which they always do. As long as you use the hashtag POMI by Lyric, then you will be featured on our POMI by Lyric Instagram page. So that's it. And on the back it says blinking beautiful, and I mean, it's just too cute. So that's it. I took up this gold, this Mary Kay Play Bold Fluid Liner in I think it's in gold, in gold metal, but I didn't end up using it, which I guess is fine because I really like how my makeup looks. Yes, mama. Alright guys, I'll be staring at myself in the viewfinder for hours, so I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye. Come on, come through, Fashionista. Come through.